Tonight I am going to be telling you guys 10 things I love about the movie The Burbs. Number 1, I love that this movie takes place in a cul-de-sac. Although I've never lived in a cul-de-sac, I grew up in small towns and I've always loved that small town feel in movies. Paperboys, dogs, everybody out doing yard work, and everybody seemingly keeping to themselves, but they're actually all poking around up in each other's business. And that is exactly what's happening in this movie. Number 2, I love Ricky Butler. Ricky is played by Corey Feldman, and honestly, is probably my favorite Corey Feldman character, even beating out Teddy in Stand By Me and Mouth in The Goonies. He plays this hilarious teenage burnout kid, basically, who's kind of in the mix with the guys in the neighborhood, but he's more into just hanging out with his girlfriend and his friends and watching everything go down. One thing I love about this character is that if you pay close attention, most of his wardrobe throughout the entire movie is from a company called Vision Streetwear. I grew up in the 80s. In 1989, I was a 14-year-old skater, and I wore a lot of Vision Streetwear clothes, including blue suede shoes. I love Rumsfeld. Mark Rumsfeld is the veteran neighbor who's basically stuck in that war mentality. He's always running around in combat boots, referring to everybody as soldier, and bringing out things like the infrared scope when they're spying on the neighbors. I love the scene where Art is outside tapping on the window trying to get Ray's attention so he can get him to come out and spy on the neighbors with him. But Ray and his wife are sitting inside watching Jeopardy. He wants to go out and spy. She doesn't want him to go because this is kind of their routine. That scene has always given me a comfortable feeling, like it's just getting dark outside, Jeopardy is on, and you're inside the warm house, just kind of kicking back, enjoying the show. And to this day, every night, my wife and I watch Wheel of Fortune in Jeopardy. I love how this movie perfectly captures the feeling of life in a small neighborhood, especially the evening scenes where it's like a cool summer night, it's quiet, just beginning to get dark, so everything has that glow from the moon, and the guys are just outside kind of hanging around talking, and there's that slight echo in the air because the whole neighborhood has calmed down for the night. That is exactly what it's like in a small town neighborhood. I love the Klopeks. The Klopeks are the weird neighbors who live next door to Ray and are always causing some kind of commotion. Like when Hans drives the garbage down to the curb, puts it in a can, and beats the heck out of it with a garden hoe. But I especially love Brother Ruben, how he's so harsh and grumpy. Rumsfeld asks him if Klopek is a Slavic name, and Ruben turns around and just says, "No!" I love Ray's wife. Every guy on the planet loves Carrie Fisher specifically because she was Princess Leia in the movie Star Wars. But I love her as Carol Peterson in The Burbs. I love how she perfectly portrays that typical wife who's taking care of everything in the house, cooking and cleaning, while her husband is out doing things that are completely pointless. She basically sees him as the immature kid who just wants to run around the neighborhood with his friends while she does everything around the house. I love the scene when Ricky Butler jumps on the cop car to try to stall them, and the only thing he can think to say is, "These people are in my house and they're eating all my parents' food." I love how throughout the film they inject little nuances with different types of food. Rumsfeld drops a whole plate of brownies when his foot goes through the porch. Art smashes a whole plate of cookies in Walter's house. Ricky calls the pizza dude, and Hans serves pretzels and sardines when the neighbors are visiting the Klopeks. And last but not least, I love that the street I live on today, although not a cul-de-sac, very much resembles and has the feel of Mayfield Place in this film. The funny thing is, as I'm standing outside watching my neighbors and trying to decide who is who, I realize we're the Klopeks. I'm the weird one of my neighborhood. I'm always outside setting up tents and inflatables in my front yard, Halloween decorations in the middle of the year. I am Hans Klopek. That's a tough one to swallow. Alright guys, there you go. 10 things I absolutely love about the film The Burbs. If you haven't seen it yet, get the DVD, get the VHS, get the Blu-ray, get the 4K if it even exists yet, or check out your favorite streaming service to watch this movie.